Hello everyone, my name is Hitesh Birur and today's date 19th December 2022. Today we will discuss about the exception handling in Java. So the exception handling in Java which is a very most important powerful mechanism to handle the runtime error so that the normal flow of application can be maintained. Now we see what is an exception. The exception which is means the abnormal condition. In Java, an exception, which is an event that disrupts the normal flow of programs, and it is an object which is known as throwable at a runtime. Now we see what is an exception handling in Java. The exception handling, which is a mechanism to handle the runtime error, such as class not found exception, then IO exception, then SQL exception, remote exception, etc. Now we see some advantage of exception handling. So first one is the core advantage of exception handling in Java is to be maintain the normal flow of application. And second one is an exception which is normally disrupted to the normal flow of application, and that's why we need the exception handling. Let's consider one scenario in which suppose there are 10 statements in a Java program, and the exception which is occur at a statement 5. The rest of code will be not execute, that is the statement 6 to 10 will be not to be executed. However, uh, when we perform the exception handling, the rest of code, statement will be executed. That's why we use the exception handling in Java. Then now we see the types of Java exception, in which there are mainly two types of exception. There are checked exception and unchecked exception. And the error which is considered as an unchecked exception. But according to the Oracle, there are mainly three types of exception. First is checked exception, second is unchecked exception, and last one is error. Now we see one by one. First is checked exception. In this, the class that directly inherit the throwable class, which is except runtime exception and error, which is known as checked exception. For example, IO exception, then SQL exception, remote exception, etc. The checked exception, which is check at the runtime. Second one is unchecked exception. The unchecked exception in this class, it inherit the runtime exception, and which is known as unchecked exception. For example, arithmetic exception, then array index out of bound exception, etc. And the unchecked exception, which does not check at the compile time, but it is checked at the runtime. And last one is error. The error which is recoverable. For example, out of memory error and a virtual memory error. That's all about exception handling in Java. Thank you.